Good day everyone. Welcome to another episode in our series. Together we learn how to be better pet owners and how to make our pets happier. Join us. Today we will talk about dry bathing. Sometimes we are simply not able to give a pet a proper bath for various reasons. Whether it's health problems, cold weather or lack of water, and emergency situations. That is why it is very important to know some of the alternative methods that can serve you well. First way. This method is probably the most basic and the most common. There is nothing easier than buying a good dry shampoo at your local pet shop. For the type and trend and of course the smell, you will decide for yourself with the help of the friendly staff of the pet shop. What you need to know about this method of dry bathing is that before using the shampoo, it is necessary to untangle and comb the animal's fur, and that after using the shampoo, you need to brush your dog well. This requires a little time and energy, but what bath does not? Or, make dry shampoo with kitchen or bath ingredients. Mix 1 cup cornstarch with a ½ cup baking soda and a ½ cup non-iodized salt, sea salt, kosher or pickling salt. Shake the mixture well. Apply to the dog. Hang out for 5 minutes and then do a very good brushing and combing. Some recipes may also contain a few drops of some oil, eucalyptus and similar, which in theory would serve to drive away fleas and parasites, but be extremely careful with that, because dogs lick their fur, and these things can be extremely poisonous. Always be careful, whether it's homemade stuff or store-bought stuff. Read, research, be responsible. Stay with us, and at the end of the video, we will give you another useful recipe for shampoo with oatmeal, which can be especially useful if your dog has skin problems. But always know, these are not professional advice, but personal ones. In case of any problems, be sure to consult a veterinarian. Way number 2. Good old baby wipes, but not for babies, but for dogs. Dogs have a different type of skin than we do, and that's why they can't use our shampoos and other skin products. They saved us in countless situations when the water is not near us and the dog gets dirty. They are safe, gentle and effective. We all know that our dogs, especially if they get wet, can smell unpleasant. You can get rid of this with the help of wet wipes for dogs, or combine apple cider vinegar with water and ½ part water and spray it on your dog and then wiping with a wet towel. Apple cider vinegar fights yeast, bacteria and smell. Way number 3. Maintain regular hygiene of your dog. Regularly wipe his ears, cut his nails, comb his coat, and brush his teeth. Pay attention to your dog's diet, because the quality of his coat and the unpleasant smell from his mouth largely depends on what the dog eats. As important as it is to maintain his personal hygiene, it is just as important to maintain the cleanliness of the area where he stays, starting from his bed, doghouse, corner, or crate. The more you commit to it, the more success will come back to you. Simple everyday things can make a huge difference. Dogs should not be bathed regularly too often, because we can disrupt the natural balance of their skin, which serves as protection from various external factors. Nothing can replace a real bath with soap and water, but in some moments all this dry method can prove as extremely convenient. We are glad that we shared our knowledge and personal experience with you. Do the same, write to us in the comments, and tell us how you bath your dogs without water, and what is your favorite method. We are sure that this information will be useful to many people, and that you will help someone with your advice. At the end, we promised you another recipe for homemade shampoo, and we are sharing it with you on this occasion. Oatmeal shampoo. Cook it up so it's very soupy. Let it cool. Smear it all the way deep, down through his fur, up to his skin. Leave the mixture to dry on your dog, without the dog eating it. If you succeed, brush the dried flakes out and they'll take the dirt with them. They say it's a good method. We haven't personally tried this, but it's probably good. If you try, tell us what you think. That would be all for today's lesson. Join us in the next episode, and don't forget to subscribe and like. Also ring that bell, so you don't miss the next class. Stay safe and happy. And don't forget, love and respect all your pets, and enjoy the time you are given to spend together.